They're handcuffed together. They're handcuffed together. They're ready. They're going for the keys. Kendall is walking away. Oh, we're in a dark area. You can't really see much.
I got the keys.
She's got the keys.
No!
Come here, you two. Alright, come here.
Ah! Oh, my arm. They got the key. He just jacked the phone. We're all in the bathroom. We're all in the bathroom. We're all...
Lift up your wrist.
Ow, ow, ow.
These are wrong positions, people. Everybody in this bathroom.
My wrist. Surprised you let me go.
Don't let her go. So much work, huh?
See how quick I got him handcuffed up?
Yeah.
Give me my phone, Ryan. I'll check you. Get his pockets.
Do you see how quick I had them both handcuffed up? That was pretty quick. It's like a new score right there. Okay, calm.
You got? No, I think I got a phone. I'm not sure if it's his.
Oh, okay.
Ow!
You're the one that is okay.
Ah!
By the way, you're still handsome.
Walking away. Hello. Look at everybody. They look like fools. Fools. Fool. Old guy. Fools. Hello. Fools. Ah! Ah!
Thanks, Nancy.